Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question from JEE 1995. The water drops falls at regular interval from a tape 5 meter above the ground. So here is a tape and water is falling from this tape in form of drops. So height of this tape from the ground is 10 meter, 5 meter, and the third drop is leaving the tape. This is the third drop. At the instant the first drop touches the ground, and this is the first drop. Okay, how far above the ground is the second drop at the instant? So let it is here, which is second drop. Okay, since the water drops fall at regular interval, so if this time is t from tape to second drop, then this will also be t to second to first drop. Okay, so from here to tape to the first drop it is 2t. Okay, so let time interval is t. So for first drop s equal to ut plus half at half gt square. Since u is 0 for first drop initially when it start to drop from the tape, therefore s is 5 meter, u is 0, half g is, let it taken 10 t square, and t is 2t for this drop. So 5 equal to half 10 into 4t square. So this is divided, 10 is divided by 2 5 times, 5 divided by 1 times, 1 equal to 4t square. Therefore t equal to 1 by 4 t square, and t equal to 1 by 2 second. So time taken by first drop from tape to ground is half second. Okay, now for second drop, how much it fall from the tape s1 equal to ut plus half gt square. So this is 0 plus half g is 10 and t is t square. So s1, let it is s1, 0 plus half g 10 and t is 1 by 2 square. So s1 equal to half 10 into 1 by 4. So this is 2 5 the 10. S1 equal to 5 upon 4 meter. So the second drop is 5 by 4 meter from the tape. Now from the ground, therefore height of second drop from ground is 5 minus 5 by 4 meter. So this is 4 5 the 20. 20 minus 5 upon 4 meter. This is 15 by 4 meter, or 3.75 meter above the ground. Okay, from the ground. So the distance of the second drop from the ground is 3.75 meter, which is in option A. Therefore option A is correct. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.